Boston Budget Plumbing and Heating is serving Boston since 2000. We provide a 24-hour service, on time, on budget, fully stocked trucks, clean, reliable, and a team of experienced, licensed plumbers. Here are some of the comments that our customers have made. Andrew K. says, "Professional, courteous, fairly priced, and they did a good job with my water heater replacement." Lauren Bellis says, "My go-to company for plumbing. Most recently I had a kitchen faucet installed and they had great prices, did an excellent job, and were extremely professional. Will definitely call next time I have plumbing needs in Boston. We treat you and your home with the utmost respect. Contact us today for a free estimate."